What's up, guys? It's your girl Imperfect Sema, and today I'm back with yet another video.
In this hip hop game, rappers are the biggest pretenders. To me, the word MC doesn't know no fucking gender. I enter brain cells within the Mr. Beats. The way you sound make B-boys jump.
Today, this is in no way, shape, or form a special kind of video. I just wanted to get something out for you guys, being that it is now 2018, and this will be my first video 2018. Well, not really my first video, because I did do that lyric video to Queen's song Medicine, but technically this will be my first video of 2018. As you can see, I'm still in the bed. It is about 1:10, 1:15, something like that, and I just woke up. You can tell on my face I just woke up. I didn't do anything yet. I'm here talking to y'all. Good thing I can't smell my breath, because girl still got funky to breath or whatever. How has you guys' New Year's been so far? Mine, I can tell you, has been going absolutely wonderful. It started off with blessings on top of blessings. I'm not going to talk about them, because once you start talking about all of your blessings, it just seems like everything just starts happening, going in the opposite direction. But yeah, my 2018 has been going great so far. I'm looking forward to seeing what other blessings come my way. Now, this isn't going to be a long video. I actually just wanted to do this video just to see if I should start doing vlogs or whatever. What challenges you guys actually want to see from me. You know, I can't do any pranks or whatever, but I can do challenges, DIYs. I can do anything besides pranks. But yeah. Oh, and I also wanted to talk about one other thing, y'all. Sub for sub. When you do sub for sub, or you subscribe to the person and the person subscribes back, okay? One thing I don't like is when they do sub for sub, you tell a person, oh, yeah, I subbed. And then you go and you subscribe to their channel. And then once you subscribe to their channel, they unsubscribe from yours, making your subscribers go back down. If you just want to do sub for sub just to get your subscribers up, and you're not actually subbing back to the other person's sub, do not comment on my videos sub for sub. Do not comment on my Instagram photos, videos, whatever, sub for sub. Don't tweet me on Twitter sub for sub. Don't hit me up on Snapchat sub for sub, because your girl will not do it, and I'm letting you know right now, I won't do it. I say this because I had 88 subscribers. As you know, I only had 88 subscribers. Over the weekend, I did a lot of stuff for subs, people commenting, DMing me on Instagram or whatever. Oh, sub for sub. So yeah, I automatically, okay, cool. I sub to your channel, you're technically supposed to sub back to my channel, which everyone did. My subscribers went up to 154. Now, here I am. I get up. Actually, I'd seen that yesterday. It went from 150 something subs to 126. And then I get up this morning from 126 subs to 111. Like, where they do that at? I just don't understand. Like, why? What's the point of doing sub for sub if you're not going to actually subscribe to the person's channel and stay subscribed? Like, that's stupid. I don't think I'm going to be doing any more sub for subs at all. I won't be doing any more sub for subs. But enough rambling. I'm about to get up and wash my bunkie and go outside. I will be backity back. Okay, guys, so I am back, and it is, I guess you can say, makeup time. And don't mind my bed. I didn't make up my bed this morning. Yeah, I can see my hair's still not done. I'ma just throw on a wig or whatever. Call that a day. And me primer, my CoverGirl True Blend Oily Skin, and it's dirty, y'all. So yeah, let's go ahead and prime this face. Now for my eyebrows. Now this is the LA Colors Browy Wowie Brow Pencil. It looks like this. So I'll just spoolie my eyebrows up. And I have a mirror like right behind my camera. So I'm kind of looking in the mirror and you can see what I'm doing in the phone or whatever. Now this one is always thicker than this one. Like, it's literally no makeup on my eyebrow at all. It's just this one all my life has been thicker than this one. So now that they're spooled up, and don't laugh at how I do my eyebrows, because I do my eyebrows different. Now I have two different shades of brown eyeliner here. One is light brown and one is dark brown, and I have them by NK Makeup. But I always just use the light brown one on my eyebrows. So first of all, I just outline them. Outline. As you can see, it's all outlined. Now I see a lot of people ask, are your eyebrows twins or are your eyebrows sisters? My eyebrows are never twins, never will be twins, never have been twins. My eyebrows are just sisters. That's it. Just sisters. Okay, now that I have them outlined, we're gonna go ahead and fill in. Now watch, because I'm doing a video, they don't come out right. Watch what I tell you. Only because I'm doing a video, they're not gonna come out right. Now, like I said, I don't have brushes, you guys. I literally don't have any brushes. So we're just gonna spoolie. But I do have my handy dandy Q-tips. This concealer is not my color. It's also the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. But this is not my color, so I don't use this. I always use the foundation that I'm gonna be wearing. I'm not wearing both of them, but I always use the foundation to even up my eyebrows. Let's get it on the floor. Get it on the floor. Get it on the floor. And I just take my little Q-tip and I dip it in. You can see it. I just dip it in, not too much, and then I As you can see, these eyebrows are done. I guess you can see what I mean when I say they are never twins, they're only sisters. Don't mind my beauty blender, y'all. I put my foundation on. Okay, got the foundation. Everyone literally knows that foundation y'all, my newest sprinting, but foundation is done. Like I said, I don't have concealer. This concealer that I have is not my color. Let me just give you a little test of it. Like, I literally don't like this concealer, y'all. See the concealed side, unconcealed side. Well, I guess now I have to use the concealer, being that I can't walk around one side of the face with concealer on and the other side doesn't. Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color. I didn't tell y'all what color any of my makeup was, y'all. This one is the color 35. It's deep foncé. Bike, honey, bike. Bike, honey, bike. My mother-in-law is in the kitchen. Now guys, I think I beat long enough. I have my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. This is medium to dark, and this is what it looks like. Contour, sculpt, and highlight. I never use sculpt because I don't know how to use that. And then just the phone. So yeah guys, this is actually the finishing look. My camera had cut off again, unfortunately, so I wasn't able to actually document like everything. And I don't have anything for my lips. I lost all of my stuff. Like, y'all, when I tell you I left everything at her house, I literally have nothing with me right now. But yeah, I just went ahead and applied my wig, applied the eyeliner, and I actually left my setting spray at my mom's house, so I didn't have any setting spray to spray on it. But this is the finishing look. I'm not gonna ramble on anymore because this video actually turned out to be a lot longer than I expected it to be. Like I said, this was supposed to be a vlog, and it turned out being like a makeup tutorial, whatever. I can't really say a tutorial, but yeah, whatever you want to call this video, I'll figure it out. You'll see it in the title. But yeah, without rambling anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Go ahead and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share my video with all of your friends. Tell them, hit that subscribe button, because it's 2018 and I'm coming lit with videos, y'all. Y'all hear what I tell y'all? It's about to be lit. Only L I take is to the face.